Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Vibro. My name is Nick.
I'm Helen.
We are the directors of Vibro Technologies and we are very happy to be awarded the Singapore Quality Brand 2013-2014. So with this following slide, I'm going to give you a very simple introduction of Vibro Technologies. We are a predictive maintenance company that provides quality services in vibration analysis, laser shaft alignment, ultrasound and motor current analysis to the industry. The industry we cover offshore, marines, petrochemical, biochemical. Anywhere you can find rotating equipment, you can find traces of Vibro and our teams in the industry. The way forward for Vibro, we strive to be the best industrial practice in the industry and setting new standards.